Hi everyone, this is Ray Martinez down here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, home of the #1 premium pre-owned dealerships in the whole nation. This RV here is a good representation of this. It's a 2016 Leisure Travel Unity FX. We have a buying department that hand selects our used inventory, buys the lightest used RVs in the nation. So we'll walk around the outside, finish on the inside. This is on the Sprinter chassis. We got the silver paint outside. Very convenient step-ups for getting in and out of the cab. Very easy to do. It does secure your diesel as well, so when your door is closed, there's no way for anyone to get in and tamper with it at all or try and siphon any gas off. B+, so the cap's coming right down to the windshield. Gives you better airflow, better gas mileage, which is very big. Slide out here, slide topper up top, frameless windows. We do have additional storage right here, additional as well right here, and then a very nice spot for your sewer hose right there in the middle to keep everything separate and very sanitary. As we close those, we'll continue to walk through. Over here is going to be your 30 amp hookup. Access points for your fridge for a technician. And then over here, we're going to have your utility center. So we're going to have the outside shower, the hot and cold water. Your propane switch is going to be here, your propane fill, your Sani flush. Right here is for dumping and all that. And all your valves are going to be right here. We do give you a free educational tour when you guys come in. No additional charge, inside and out. And we do have a free campsite for you to stay at if you'd like to try it out for the night. As we walk around to the back, you will see the backup camera up here. 5,000 pound hitch right down at the bottom. And then that's going to be your exhaust pipe for your generator. The generator is LP. I have it opened up over here. 3600 Cummins zoning. Another really nice storage area down there. The awning is powered. There is LED lighting in the awning. Beautiful, beautiful paint job. You do got the Truma AquaGo. You're going to have non-stop hot water as long as you have a water supply. Additional storage right here. The non-skid step. You can see it's raining out right now, but this is going to give you the ability not to slip and fall. Convenient grab handle here. Step right in with me. Another handle here for the transition. As we come in, you'll see the wide open space you get with the slide out. This is a Murphy bed right here. When you go to engage it, all you do is pull this, move these, bed comes down. Great walking area. This can turn into resting area, like just sitting, or the table comes up from here. When you come in, we'll give you a full demonstration on that. Both seats do swivel around. Gives you the ability to sit 5 people, grown adults, comfortably in here. Skylight up top with a bug screen as well. So if you open it, it's a hot sunny day. You don't have to worry about those mosquitoes coming in and biting you up. Additionally, TV is going to be here. Really big storage area there. Hang up your clothes, whatever else you need to put up in there. Nice deep stainless steel sink. Corian countertop. Right here is going to be a nice little garbage can, conveniently placed. 2-burner propane grill right here with a nice backsplash. Additional storage up here. And you can see it has 2 different tiers, so it really utilizes that space extremely well. Again, Leisure Travel just really, really makes use of every space. Here's going to be a nice slide out pantry. Nice open nook here. And the nice thing about this layout is if you're traveling with 2 people, multiple people, one goes to bed early, one stays up a little later, you have your lounge area back here, and vice versa in the morning. If someone wants to sleep in a little bit later, come back here. You got your separate TV back here. Can watch that and just relax. This is going to be another closet space. And then down here, we have 2 drawers and more storage down there. I mean, you can pretty much live in this thing if you'd like. Separate freezer, separate fridge, We got a convection microwave here, so you can do your cookies, your pizzas, reheat your food. And then in here, we're gonna have our bathroom. Shower is gonna be right behind here. Stainless steel sink again. Toilet, very, very well proportioned and situated, so you have plenty of leg space. Give us a call. You could ask for Rudy, you could ask for anyone here. We're family owned. We've really embraced the vision that our owner Brandon had, and really are just here to help you get on the road. So give us a call and we'll help you create some memories. Take care.